Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Fahad Mirza, and in this video we are going to look at yet another audio language model which is called as UltraVox. In the last 1 month we have seen I think around 10 new TTS or audio models, and this space has really taken a huge leap in the last few months. Things have improved a lot, and it seems that this UltraVox model is also quite good when it comes to quality. So we are going to install it locally, and then we will see how it works on different benchmarks and prompts. Let's have a quick look at what exactly this model is. So this model comes not only in 8 billion size but also in 70 billion size. It comes with both the Llama flavor and Mistral's Nemo flavor. UltraVox is a multimodal speech LLM that has been built around a pre-trained Llama 3.1 8 billion instruct and a Whisper Large version 3 turbo backbone. This can consume both speech and text as input. For example, you can give it a text system prompt and a voice user message, and we are going to also do that hands-on shortly. The input to the model is given as a text prompt with a special pseudo token, and the model processor will replace this magic token with embeddings derived from the input audio. Using the merge embedding as input, the model will then generate output text as usual. Right now, when you give it audio file and also the text prompt, it only generates text as an output. But in the future, they also plan to generate a voice output. But at the moment, it is only audio to text. So let's try to get it installed and see how it works. Before I do that, let me give a huge shout out to Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs, so please do check them out. This is my Ubuntu system, and this is my GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let me first create a virtual environment with Conda. If you don't know what Conda is, how to use it, please search my channel. I already have covered it. And the Conda environment is created. Now we need to install some of the prerequisites. Make sure that whether you are using Linux, Windows, Mac, you have this libport audio 2 installed. I believe I already have it, so which is quite good. We also need to install Pi Audio. So because I'm using Conda, so I'm just going to install it through Conda's channel. It is easier. And Pi Audio is all done. Next we need to install Torch Audio, and various other stuff like Librosa, Peft and NumPy. These are all the required libraries, and this is going to take 3 to 4 minutes. While that happens, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. It is quite resilient, it works on any page, it is reusable. The same query works across multiple similar pages, and it structures the output according to the shape of your query, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, so let's go back and see what is happening. So it is still running. All the prerequisites are eventually done. Let's launch our Jupyter notebook and we will download and play with this model in the browser environment. The Jupyter notebook is launched. Let's import the libraries and then download the model with the pipe. And the model has started downloading. Let's wait. It is going to download the Llama 3.1 shards here. So there are 4 of them. And eventually the models have been downloaded, as you can see here. Let's do the inference. Now, as I mentioned earlier, for inference, all you need to do is to provide it an audio file. So this is my audio file, which I will also play shortly. Then we are loading this audio, and then we are providing it a text prompt, which is a system prompt that you're a friendly and helpful character. You'll have to answer questions for people, and then we are piping it through and generating the output. So let me first play this audio, which is this happiness.mp3. What is happiness? So all I'm doing, I'm asking it what is happiness in this audio file. So let me run this. And there you go. It has given us a response back. Let me scroll down. It is saying happiness is a complex and multifaceted concept that has been studied and debated by philosophers and all that stuff. Because max new token is just 130, maybe I'll increase it to maybe 500 or so. But you can see that it is using Llama 3 for the text one, but it has very nicely sort of converted our audio file into the text, and it has just given us the response back. Let me try another one. In the next audio, I'm going to ask it a math question. Solve this math equation: x plus y is equal to x minus y. Solve this math equation: x plus y is equal to x minus y. Okay, let me now run this. I already have changed the path to mp3, math.mp3. While it is running, let me also show you the GPU consumption. So it is taking just over 17 gig of VRAM. So if you have any model, any GPU, around 24 GB of VRAM or so, you should be good to go, 20 GB. Okay, so there you go. So it has converted that file and it has given us the response back, and that looks pretty good to me. Okay, so let's try another one. In the next one, I'm asking it, how many letter R are there in the word strawberry? Okay, let's try out now. This one, I already have changed this .mp3. I will let it run to show you how long does it take. You see, it's very quick. It says there are 2 letters, so it has counted it wrong, but at least the response is fine. Let's try out another one. Translate I love you in Arabic, Hindi, Korean, Spanish, and Urdu. Let's see how it does the translation. But the point is that it is converting this audio and understanding it quite well. And Llama models are normally quite good in multilingual, so let's see. Because it is using Llama's power behind the scene. There you go. So it is Arabic, and then it is transferring into as usual. Yep, Hindi is also good. And then, yep, there's a formal, informal. So you see that intelligence of Llama is just oozing through it. Really good stuff. Amazing. Even Urdu is fine. It says Urdu, but it is Urdu. But other than that, looks quite good to me. Amazing. Okay, let's try one more. It's a coding question. Let me play it. Create a Python function that calculates the area of a rectangle given its length and width. Let's try it out. It is running. I will let it run. Let's see how long does it take to generate the code. And there you go, fairly good. I haven't marked it down, but if you closely look at this, I think it has done wonderfully well. So really good stuff. And this is the LLM which can hear and which can talk. I mean, understand, not talk. Hopefully in the future, as they have said in their model card, they are also going to make it talk. So pretty cool. I will drop the link to it in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please do me a personal favor and share it among your network, as that's the only marketing I do. Thank you very much.